What's up, hustlers? It's your boy, Dave Nick, back with another video. And today, we're diving deep into the world of making money online. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. This is about leveraging the power of Google and free AI tools to create a steady stream of income. And the best part? You can potentially make your first $100 in less than 30 minutes. We're talking about simple, accessible methods that anyone can use, regardless of your tech skills. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down a step-by-step process that combines the power of Google Trends, ChatGPT for idea generation, and SEWriting.ai for content creation. We'll be using these free tools to tap into trending topics, generate high-quality content, and distribute it strategically for maximum earning potential. The internet is a goldmine of opportunities, and I'm here to show you exactly how to mine it. So grab your laptops, fire up those algorithms, and let's unlock the potential of Google and AI to make some serious cash. All right, let's kick things off with Google News, your secret weapon for identifying trending topics that are practically begging to be monetized. Head over to news.google.com and let's see what's got the internet buzzing. The key here is to find topics that are hot right now. Remember, the faster you can jump on a trend, the more likely you are to capitalize on its popularity. Look for breaking news, viral stories, or anything that's generating a lot of buzz. Don't be afraid to explore different categories and niches. You never know what hidden gem you might stumble upon. Once you've found a few promising contenders, it's time to see what's trending in the US. Click on the US section of Google News and let's dive into the heart of the action. This is where the real gold lies. The US section will show you the most talked about stories in the country, giving you valuable insights into what people are interested in right now. Remember, the more interest there is in a topic, the higher the potential for you to generate income around it. So keep your eyes peeled and your fingers ready to type, because we're about to turn these trends into cash. Now that we've got our finger on the pulse of the internet, it's time to introduce you to our secret weapon, SEWriting.ai. This powerful AI tool is going to help us create killer content around those trending topics. And the best part, it's completely free to use. Head over to SEWriting.ai and sign up for a free account using your email or Google account. It's quick, easy, and will give you access to a whole suite of content creation tools. Once you're logged in, take a minute to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is your command center for all things content creation. You'll find everything you need to research keywords, generate blog post ideas, and even write entire articles with the click of a button. But before we dive into the content creation process, we need to feed our AI some inspiration. Remember those trending topics we found on Google News? It's time to put them to good use. SEWriting.ai has a built-in feature that allows you to input keywords and generate a list of relevant blog post ideas. This is where ChatGPT comes in handy. Use ChatGPT to generate a list of the top 10 blog article ideas for each trending news story you selected. Let's take a moment to talk about ChatGPT, the AI writing assistant that's taking the internet by storm. This free tool is about to become your new best friend when it comes to generating blog post ideas. Simply head over to chat.openai.com and create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a simple chat interface. This is where the magic happens. Remember those trending news topics we found earlier? Now's the time to feed them to ChatGPT. For each topic, type in a prompt like, "Give me 10 blog post ideas related to." ChatGPT will then generate a list of catchy, relevant, and engaging blog post ideas that are tailored to your chosen topic. It's like having a brainstorming partner on demand, available 24/7. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and keywords to see what kind of creative ideas ChatGPT can come up with. The goal here is to find a blog post idea that's not only relevant to the trending topic, but also something you're genuinely interested in writing about. After all, passion fuels creativity, and we want your content to shine. Now that we've got our trending topics and a list of killer blog post ideas, it's time to roll up our sleeves and start creating some epic content. This is where CWriting.ai really shines. Head back over to your CWriting.ai dashboard and choose the Blog Post Writer tool. This is where you'll transform those ChatGPT-generated ideas into fully fledged articles ready to be shared with the world. Select one of your favorite blog post ideas and input the main keyword into CWriting.ai. The AI will then work its magic, generating a well-structured, informative, and engaging blog post in a matter of minutes. But don't just hit publish yet. We want to make sure your content is top-notch and optimized for maximum impact. Take some time to customize the blog post generated by SEWriting.ai. Add your own personal touch, insights, and experiences to make it uniquely yours. Remember, people connect with authenticity, so don't be afraid to let your personality shine through your writing. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and in the world of online content, visuals are king. Adding eye-catching images and engaging videos to your blog post can make all the difference in capturing your audience's attention and keeping them hooked. Head back to your SEWriting.ai dashboard and explore the image and video integration options. You can easily search for and insert royalty-free images directly within the platform, ensuring your content is both visually appealing and legally sound. Don't be afraid to get creative with your visuals. Use them to break up long blocks of text, highlight key points, or simply add a touch of personality to your writing. Remember, the goal is to create an immersive and enjoyable reading experience for your audience. A well-placed image or video can do wonders for keeping your readers engaged and coming back for more. We've got our content, we've got our visuals. Now it's time to sprinkle in some SEO magic to make sure our masterpiece gets seen by the masses. CWriting.ai comes equipped with powerful NLP, natural language processing, keyword tools that will help your content climb the search engine ladder and attract a wider audience. Think of NLP keywords as the secret handshake that lets Google know your content is relevant and valuable. Use SEWriting.ai's NLP keyword suggestions to optimize your blog posts, title, headings, and body content. These strategically placed keywords will act as beacons, guiding search engines to your content and boosting your chances of ranking higher in search results. Remember, the higher you rank, the more visible your content becomes, and the more potential readers you can reach. Congratulations, you've officially created a killer piece of content that's primed for success. Now, it's time to unleash it into the wild and watch the traffic roll in. If you have a WordPress website, SEWriting.ai makes it incredibly easy to publish your content directly to your site. Simply connect your WordPress account to SEWriting.ai, and with a few clicks, your blog post will be live and ready to captivate your audience. But don't limit yourself to just your own website. We're going to explore other platforms where you can share your content and maximize your earning potential. Prepare your blog post for platforms like Listverse and Medium, two popular platforms known for their engaged readership and potential for monetization. By diversifying your content distribution, you'll reach a wider audience and increase your chances of generating income from your hard work. Let's talk about Listverse and Medium, two fantastic platforms where you can share your newly created content and potentially earn some serious cash. Listverse, as the name suggests, is all about lists. Remember those top 10 blog post ideas ChatGPT generated? Well, Listverse is the perfect place to turn those lists into engaging and shareable content. Craft a compelling listicle based on your chosen topic, ensuring each item is well written, informative, and entertaining. Medium, on the other hand, is a platform for more in-depth articles and stories. If you're passionate about a particular topic and enjoy diving deep into the details, Medium is the perfect place to share your insights and connect with a like-minded audience. Both platforms offer opportunities for monetization, whether through their partner program or by attracting sponsors and advertisers. By sharing your content on Listverse and Medium, you're not only expanding your reach but also increasing your earning potential. Now, let's talk about turning those clicks into cash with ShrinkMe.io, a URL shortener that pays you for every click. This is a fantastic way to monetize your content and start generating passive income. Simply sign up for a free account on ShrinkMe.io and start shortening your links. Once you've shortened a link, you can share it on social media, forums, or even within your blog posts. Every time someone clicks on your shortened link, you'll earn a small commission. It may not seem like much at first, but those clicks can add up quickly, especially if you're sharing your links strategically and driving a lot of traffic to them. ShrinkMe.io is a simple yet effective way to monetize your content and turn those casual clicks into a steady stream of passive income. Last but not least, let's talk about Imgur, the image sharing giant that can help you expand your content's reach and drive even more traffic to your monetized links. Imgur is a visual platform, so make sure you have an eye-catching image or graphic to accompany your content. This could be a screenshot of your blog post, a relevant infographic, or even a funny meme that's related to your topic. Once you've uploaded your image to Imgur, be sure to include a link back to your full article on Medium or your own website in the description. This will allow interested viewers to easily click through and read your full piece, increasing your chances of generating income through ads, affiliate links, or your chosen monetization method. Imgur is a powerful tool for driving traffic and expanding your content's reach, so don't underestimate the power of a well-placed image and a strategically placed link. And there you have it, folks. We've just unlocked the secrets to making $100 in under 30 minutes using the power of Google and free AI tools. Remember, we started with Google News to identify trending topics, then used ChatGPT to generate killer blog post ideas. So Writing.ai became our content creation powerhouse, helping us craft engaging and informative articles optimized for search engines. We then explored different publishing platforms like WordPress, Listverse, and Medium, maximizing our content's reach and earning potential. And let's not forget about ShrinkMe.io, our secret weapon for turning links into profits, and Imgur, our image sharing ally for expanding our reach even further. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips and tricks, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep hustling, keep creating, and keep unlocking your online earning potential.